Why I'm here at the AAADV conference or workshop, I want to learn more about the science behind cancer, the science behind the development of drug. Because to help patients better, it's not just to tell them about cancer. You yourself, as a non-medical, I'm not a doctor, you have to understand, most of these things, most of the science, behind cancer, so you could help the patient better. So this is an incredible conference, training where we're learning a lot about clinical trials, how drugs are being developed. I've never heard about it before, and it's so like wow, and the knowledge so far that I've gotten, it's much to process, but the few that I've been able to process, it's something that I think would help, the country, because we don't have much of clinical trials going on in the country. So I think that we as advocate, I am personally as an advocate, it's something that will help, bring clinical trial, to limelight in the country.